ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu na-asị na okeke nwaanyị dị ntị njọ. Wallahi talai, okeke nwaanyị dị ntị njọ. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1+. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode, palaver, it did finish. From one palaver to another. Imagine side chick, Jemuolo, married man, Ejima. Side chick went and gave birth to twins. Anyway, I don't need to say much. Take a look at this video.
So, for me, first of all, I want to say thank you. Thanks to you and to the management of Akachukwu Hospital for taking care of me, granting me free delivery despite the living procedures. I'm not taking it for granted. I'm grateful. But I'm also thinking how it will be, how life will be after leaving the hospital. As you can see, I'm already lonely here in the hospital. No one is here with me because my impregnator, left me. My impregnator has left me after he discovered that it wasn't the sex of the baby he was expecting. So, naturally, he promised that if I give birth to baby boys, he's going to marry me. He doesn't love his wife.
Okay, the man said he doesn't love his wife.
Yes.
That if you give birth to a baby boy, then he will marry you.
Yes.
How many girls the man gets?
4 girls.
Okay, the wife has 4 girls.
Yes.
And the man said if you want boys, he will marry you.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
So I was expecting that, it's not I'm being selfish, but I thought of saving, as in giving a man the sex he desired and also to help myself. He said he's going to marry me.
Please,
immediately after.
the man promised to marry you.
Yes.
But are you aware that this man is married?
He's married, but say he's not enjoying his marriage. He doesn't love his wife.
Okay, the man said he's not enjoying his marriage.
Yes.
And you are aware that he's married.
Yes.
Okay, continue. Has he divorced his wife?
Not yet.
Okay, did he tell you that you divorced his wife?
Yes, it's after I give birth.
Okay, after you give birth, he divorce his wife and marry you.
Yes.
If you want boy for him.
Yes.
Okay.
So I was really praying that she give birth to boys, but I don't know. Immediately discovered that I gave birth to 2 girls. He stopped coming to hospital. If not that he was like the hospital bills for me. I don't know how I would have gotten 650,000 to foot the bill.
So
I don't know. Help me, please. I don't know how you can help me. Help me. I don't know how to care for these 2 children. Help me.
So you mean you've been calling the man now, he's not picking?
He's like, people blocked me 2 hours yesterday. The day before yesterday, they blocked me. Yesterday, they blocked me.
Okay.
So for today, it has been showing I'm busy.
You know why I'm bringing this video? I'm bringing this video on another aspect for my young gender to understand that there are some price you pay that are very heavy. Neka price like is very big. Imagine it can rejoice. Neighbor side cheek. Imagine side cheek. People ndebo side cheek are they very happy. Na have side cheek. Neji fakio. You know, you might like I'm a proud side cheek. This one, that one. You forget that you are messing somebody's home. Like person they cry on your behalf. So not only that Neyman, this guy is married, the man is married. Munye we more girls on our complain. West is okay, kagiwa mozalia boys. Like mozalia ejimeno, umuoke ejimeno. Giwa si okay, nega amu ejimeno. Nya pass gaderade. Omero that's where's ha na-ekwu. No giwa ka na-ekwu maka. And dem kwala na ejimeno, obia no ba yozugbo. Giwa asonye di go ago di enudi. Ona amaga ama ekwopu jetulu ime. This lady we mu ejima too. Na economy Tinubu. You know some rich people, some people that are very rich, know that childbearing and child care the very expensive. Again wo una asa enwere ife na alu for yourself. I nwere akọli obula akwụkwọ ka ego gusie ike ijemulu ejima na abotopo. Nyaka emebelu gebele. Okay, this lady knows Vicky and no, this favorite not Vicky. If you no kwusi ụgwọ hospital mesi ye niile, no ya zolo mogaba. These are the price of some bad decisions my young gender pay. Even not no ya mo the man ejime no boys no. Madam see through back door. Maputos bo more ejima ebo wine na another 2 set of girls. Ima the man na achọ nwoke na the man na achọ nwoke na amacho nchonchon. Genwa se onye ga amụ nwa nwoke. Iwota land ya ozugbo ka ịmụ nwa nwoke. Emolukwa nwa nwanyị topo. The guy torapu ya ga iru ọ na-agbali. Ihe a bụ the price people pay for but my bad decision my young generation na-eme kita aja. Because side chick, you know, there are some things that are not normal. It's not a norm that na nwoke no si anwanye ọ chọbakwa side chick. Nwoke na-achọ side chick ka o wee kee onwe ka o wee nweta onwe gị nwa bụ ewu enwere ife iji onwe kpọlụ na nwere ife iji akwụkwọ maọbụ ezinụlọ isi na ya pụta kpọlụ wee gebia ntị kịta this girl totally for the next 10 years of this girl's life o doo ya anya na onye a ya nọ na ezigbote gbayalia emiye bụ gbayalia ọ ya anọ na ezigbote gbayalia from one confusion to another onye ji ofu nwa azụsibedie ike ọfụma nọ ebuo diaper milk and all those things because ejima onye mụ ejima na ị ga na-eligodi nni wee nwee ike na-eme breastfeeding iwe ọbụlụzia mmadụ ebuo ọga uche my gender need idia ọ bụ na ị bụ obele nwa ọ bụ na ị bụ brother mmadụ you need to share this video as much as you can for the young people imana okwima side chick you need to stop it as a young person okwima ịbụ girlfriend mmadụ or ịbụ boyfriend mmadụ na while away your youthfulness something time eji we learn a skill imana if somebody to na Nigeria for another person if na ọ dị iche because abịa a na-ekwu n'obodo adịrọ mma ewepụta time n'obodo na-adịrọ mma na-eme ihe side chick ọ bụkwa na ị na-eme side chick na-enweta ego ma ọ bụ na-eme ihe dị reasonable with your life no it just chick ka anọba ya second wife obviously this person chọ agụ digo ya mana ifugo na dia ọ dabara na iyeje duali ọlụ change your pattern or your plan because nke a ọwa ọkụrụ onwere you need to strategize your life because youthfulness how long can you na gakwanoro from how many to how many years nke aga okwocha because onekwo if you learn every year you will be 22 every year did 22 every year did 22 20 23 24 ina eme side chick say I'm a side chick eduli ya na apị na ọ na-asọ kita ono this lady kita ono go na gbayalia me say no meme mo mereme game nti a lot of people na die na the same mistake yeah ana die na however you feel about this video leave it on the comment section. Let's continue there because a lot of people are making this mistake. Don't forget to like and share. If you're my regular watcher, thank you very much, and remember to share this video as much as you can. People, any day will see her side chick because it's doing more harm than good. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, you know the finish.